फिशरमॅन्स वॉफ पणजी आणि स्टुडिओ मास्टर प्रोफेशनलान म्युझिकल नाईट 2018 दवरिल्ली. अहुजा आणि स्टुडिओ मास्टर प्रोफेशनलचे प्रोडक्ट लॉन्च केले. सगळ्या प्रोडक्टांचो डेमो दाखयलो.
We have CP DeCosta, who is the authorized dealers of Studio Master in Ahuja tonight, and we have been appointed as new distributors for Goa for Ahuja and Studio Master, which is a brand which has been there for 75 years and shows the strength. Tonight we are showcasing the whole product range of Studio Master, which are our strengths are line raise, mixers, powered speakers and mixers.
आता पळोवया गोंयच्या कांय सरभोंवतणच्यो खबरो.
फातोर्डा मतदारसंघातल्या लोकांक थंयच्या आमदार मंत्र्यान खासा कार्डियाक ॲम्ब्युलन्स सुरू केल्या. डिसेंबर मेरेन दक्षिण गोंयचे जिल्लो हॉस्पिटल सुरू जातले म्हणून विजय उलयलो.
Practically this is something like all the basic ICU equipments are inside. That is ventilator, defibrillator, monitor, suction machine and syringe pump. All this oxygen, everything, all this which is basic ICU management, it is there. And plus it is unlike our 108 because this will have a dedicated doctor 24/7.
So I think it should be one of the 108 should be placed near the police station. लोक इजिली पावूंक शकता आनी चलोवपी आहा तो गोंयकार आसपाक. बिल्डिंग विल बी रेडी बाय मे एंड. Liberation Day will liberate people from health problems. No, Independent Day. No, Liberation Day. I am more focused on Goa's things, Goa's needs. Liberation, I am more concerned about liberation than independence. We will get it on Liberation Day.
खासा भुरग्यांच्या संजय स्कुलाच्या भुरग्यांनी आपल्या टॅलंटान चित्रायल्ल्या बऱ्यापैकी चित्रांचे प्रदर्शन दवरिल्ले. कला संस्कृती मंत्र्यान प्रदर्शनाक वचून भुरग्यांची तोखणाय केली.
संजय सोनन स्कुलान हे आयोजित केल्ले ह्या पेंटिंग एक्झिबिशनाक आज सगळ्या भुरग्यांची हांव अभिनंदन करता आणि खास करून मॅनेजमेंट आणि तांकां ट्रेन केले टिचर्सांचें अभिनंदन करता. कारण ह्या भुरग्यांक मोल्ड करप हें खूब अवघड आसा. पूण देव जेन्ना एका हातान काडटा तेन्ना दुसऱ्या हातान खंय तर दिता आनी ह्या भुरग्यांनी एक चॅलेंज घेतिल्ली आशिल्ली. खरोखर म्हणल्यार ह्या भुरग्यां भितर एक टॅलंट आसा आनी टॅलंट एक्सपोज करपा खातीर खंय तरी प्लॅटफॉर्म जाय आनी तो प्लॅटफॉर्म म्हाका दिसता संजय स्कुलान आज तांच्या खातीर उपलब्ध करून दिल्लो आसा.
हे फक्त एक्झिबिशनूच न्हय तर दिस इज एक्झिबिशन कम सेल. सो आय वूड रिक्वेस्ट पीपल टू कम हियर, visit the exhibition and buy the paintings if they like the paintings. Please don't buy it if you don't like it, but please buy if you definitely like it. And if you buy it, it's going to give a moral boost to all our students who have done these paintings. एक म्हणजे हो उपक्रम आमी हांगा राबयतात ताजे श्रेय जर कोणाक दिवपाक जाय जाल्यार ही आयडिया आशिल्ली ती माननीय मुख्यमंत्री मनोहरभाई पर्रीकरांची आशिल्ली.
रायज नेशन आर्मी आणि रेजिना मार्टिन हायस्कूल आणि असोर्णा पंचायतीन मेळून क्लीन असोर्णा मोहीम दवरिल्ली. भुरग्यांक नितळसाणीचे महत्व सांगले आणि वाठार नितळ केलो.
If you see someone throwing garbage on the road, what do? You just watch? No? Come on, I know you just watch. What you have to do is clean, okay? You have to tell that person not to throw garbage and then you have to clean, okay? Today you all have to help us do that.
Are you going to clean up the village with us? Yes, because it's each one of us responsibility to clean up the village, yeah?
We got to keep our nation clean, keep our Goa clean. And ours is the only school which I have told you to introduce the waste segregation method in our school in the under work experience section for the 6th standard students. No other school in Goa has done this particular job.
Bureau report, Prudent.
घेऊया एक कमर्शियल ब्रेक.